Unlock your website's earning potential by seamlessly integrating Ezoic with WordPress in this updated step-by-step guide. First, let's connect your WordPress site to Ezoic. Log into your Ezoic account and navigate to the Access Now section here. You'll find the option to add your website. Enter your website's URL and click Continue. Ezoic supports multiple integration methods for the most straightforward approach. We'll focus on a DNS integration. Ezoic will provide you with specific DNS records, usually a records or CNAME records, that you need to update with your domain registrar, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Log into your domain registrar's control panel. Locate the DNS management section for your website. You'll need to add or modify existing records to point your domain to Ezoic servers. Follow the exact instructions provided by Ezoic for these record types and their values. It's crucial to get these details correct. Once your DNS changes have propagated, which can take a few minutes to a few hours, you'll move to the WordPress plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Add new, search for Ezoic and install the official Ezoic plugin. After installing, activate the Ezoic plugin. You'll then be prompted to connect it to your Ezoic account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the plugin, which typically involves logging into your Ezoic account directly through the plugin interface. With the plugin activated and connected, Ezoic can now start optimizing your site. Explore the Ezoic dashboard for Ad Tester and Layout Tester to experiment with different ad placements and configurations. These tools help you find the best revenue-generating positions without compromising user experience. Remember to periodically check your Ezoic dashboard for performance insights and revenue reports. By understanding your site's data and leveraging Ezoic's optimization tools, you can continuously improve your ad revenue and create a better experience for your visitors.